Hi, I'm Dorla, co-author of Piano Pyramid Explorers. Now, if you teach ages 4 to 8, you need a curriculum that respects how young children actually learn, physically, mentally, and musically. Piano Pyramid Explorers does exactly that. Explorers is not a multi-level program. It's an age-appropriate, developmentally aligned curriculum created specifically for younger pianists. Now, in books primer A, B, and C, you can teach small classes of 3 to 4 students at one piano. The lessons focus on steady beat, coordination, listening, singing, and early reading in a way that feels natural and calm for young learners. No pressure. By primer D, students begin reading alpha notes on the staff and gently transition into regular notation. They move forward confidently because the steps are small, clear, predictable. Each explorer's lesson follows a steady rhythm your students can rely on. Learn a new song at the piano, complete a short theory worksheet, and explore a bit of popular music history that connects to what they're learning every week. If you want to see the Explorers books or choose the right level for your studio, you'll find the link below. Happy learning!